Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Who should not eat tomatoes? Tomato is one of the most useful vegetables. Everyone knows that they contain many different vitamins and trace elements, which favorably affect the human body. There are a lot of useful properties for tomatoes, so many people try to include them in the daily diet of the family all year round. But here's the answer to the question, can everyone eat tomatoes? Of course, you need to answer these questions with regard to the quality of tomatoes. After all, the tomato is different. It's one thing a vegetable, torn from a garden in the garden, and quite another, a tomato brought from abroad. The tomato ripened on a bed is much more useful than a tomato grown in a greenhouse. And in tomatoes grown on the patch of useful properties more. Tomatoes are a powerful antioxidant and a source of vitamins. The composition of tomatoes is almost the entire table Mendeleev. American scientists discovered in the tomato substance, which has a beneficial effect on the processes of hemorrhage and effectively resists thrombosis. Therefore, using tomatoes is useful for patients with cardiovascular diseases. Pectin substances, which are rich in tomatoes, normalize blood pressure and lower the level of cholesterol in the blood. Tomatoes are 94% water and therefore serve as an excellent diuretic in diseases of the kidneys and bladder. Many diets contain tomatoes in their diet, because they are low-calorie, and the chrome contained in them contributes to the rapid saturation of the body and dulls the feeling of hunger. Tomatoes have a good effect on the activity of the sex glands. It is useful to eat tomatoes in patients with a violation of salt metabolism, as well as for the treatment and prevention of avitaminosis. Despite the fact that tomatoes have many useful properties and are considered one of the most delicious food products, there is a category of people who do not have tomatoes. First of all, people who suffer from food allergies need to give up the tomato. Tomatoes can cause them swelling, itching, rashes and dyspnea. Tomatoes are contraindicated for gout, kidney disease and cholelithiasis. Canned and pickled tomatoes should not be used by hypertensives, and those who have problems with the cardiovascular system. With the use of salted tomatoes you need to be careful, they contribute to the formation of stones in the kidneys and bladder. It is not necessary to give tomatoes to children up to a year-old age, you can only offer to try a little tomato juice, specially prepared for toddlers. After a year, give the baby a piece of tomato, peeled. It is recommended to give a full tomato with a skin to children who have reached the age of 3. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.